Welcome to the next mission report. This is video 2 from part 1 that you might have already seen. Did that look familiar? Welcome to the next mission report. Welcome back. I'm Norman Kinsey with Liftoff Agent. You're on the mission report designed to give you weekly advice, quick tips on very specific ways as a real estate professional you can grow your business using strategy. So we wanted to follow up with the very first video about this new Instagram update and how potentially you could use it and give you some practical ideas, give you 3 practical ideas that you can use today. Now the last video you may not have commented on some ways that you're going to use this new feature on Instagram, having multiple people in these chat rooms, kind of like Zoom. So what are 3 different ways that you could use this? Well, the first way you can go ahead and use this new feature is if you have online Instagram live events, instead of having time slots for every single person who's going to be that keynote speaker, you can have all 4 or 5 people in the meeting room at the same time, killing 2 birds in one stone, working smarter, not harder, asking the same question to each individual person, and then you can also screen record that event like normal, and then you can be able to have that to be able to add more value and to be able to have it in one time slot for 20 minutes or 30 minutes or an hour. First way of using it. The second way you could use it is if you're looking to work with buyers, you potentially can have, maybe you have a husband and a wife and they're in 2 different locations and they're not in the home together. You potentially could be able to have both those individuals plus yourself in that meeting room on Instagram, and you could be recording it, and it could be live if they're okay with it being publicly shown, and you could be walking through the home and you could be able to maximize every opportunity, showing the home, making it live, making it public, and also recording it so you can save it for their viewing purposes later on. The second way. The third way is maybe you want to connect to individuals, and traditionally you would go through your email and connect to people through email correspondence. Well, why not actually go on Instagram and talk to Johnny and say, hey Johnny, are you available at 1? And Susie, are you available at 1? And you want to connect them together and say, I'm going to send you a message and we're going to go live on Instagram. I'm going to connect you more publicly so that way you guys can get connected. I'm going to do it over Instagram, and also I'm going to record it and I'm going to use that for content in the future. So that way you can publicly show that you're connecting, giving back, and you're trying to add additional value to your social media and to your followers, and showing different ways and different techniques that you're using this new Instagram feature. So those are 3 ways that you potentially could use it for your purposes, your business, to be able to maximize these opportunities. It showed a lot of personal ways of doing it with happy hours and dancing and having fun and just having friends in there and making it like that. But this could be an awesome opportunity for you to be able to use it on the business forefront. So if you didn't watch the first one, go ahead and watch the first one, the first part 1 of this part 2 now series, and we hope you found value from today's mission report. If you did, give it a thumbs up, go ahead and comment below, hit the notification bell, like this video to help with our YouTube algorithm, be a part of our family, and share how you intend on using this, or comment below with, out of the 3 options, which one are you going to use to be able to add more value to your business. So happy Tuesday when today was filmed. We'll see you Thursday for the next mission report, and make it a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you so much for completing the mission report video here on YouTube. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and comment below with what mission you have already carried out for your business to be entered in to win the next $2,500 IDX real estate website. We give them away on a quarterly basis, and you can also set yourself up with a live free discovery meeting so we can deep dive into your online marketing approach, give you some suggestions, and of course, if it makes sense and you would like to sign up with us, we'll give you $250 off the startup costs, and we'll see you for the next mission report.